In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage plans and domains on WordPress.com. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or someone just getting started, navigating these settings can sometimes feel daunting. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's walk through these steps together. First things first, let's head over to WordPress.com in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, you'll notice the interface is not only sleek, but designed to get you where you need to go quickly. Look at the top of the page and find the Login button. Give it a click and take a moment to marvel at how far technology has come in simplifying our online presence. Now you're brought to a login page with various options. To keep things straightforward, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Simply click on Continue with Google and choose the Google account tied to your WordPress websites. A quick tip here, if you manage multiple accounts, double check to ensure you select the correct one related to your WordPress activities. Once you're logged in, direct your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Give it a click. Your account menu dives down instantly, giving you that sense of having your WordPress world at your fingertips. In this next step, direct your attention to the Purchases tab. Clicking on this will open up a new page that offers an overview of your purchases. This section is essential as it hosts your plans and domain credits, along with payment details and renewal dates. Once the page loads, you'll find an option labeled Active Upgrades. A click on this opens up a world of current subscriptions you have on WordPress.com. It's almost like peeking into the vault of your WordPress assets. Finally, within this Active Upgrades section, you'll see a detailed list of both plans and domains actively connected to your account. Here you can find at a glance the services you're currently subscribed to. It gives you control and insight into your digital components. That's it, folks. Managing your plans and domains is as easy as pie with WordPress.com. By following these steps, you now have a clear understanding of where your assets stand. This not only helps you to maintain oversight, but also empowers you to make informed decisions about your online presence. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Make sure to explore further into each setting to harness the full power of your WordPress site. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.